Hello dear students, welcome back to this channel. I am Yogita Harjani. I am a CA and a CS. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now today's video is a special message. So far you have been studying so hard. Okay, you have been taking coaching. You have been trying to study every single day. Initially for 4-5 hours, now for possibly 8, 9, 10 hours, for some students even 12 to 15 hours. Every single day you get up, you open the book, okay, you try to concentrate, you try to understand everything, you are fully focused, okay, you're basically devoting every bit of your life, your blood, your sweat into your studies right now. This is peak time, right? So at this point, your mind is extremely fertile, and whatever goes into your mind, it is going to grow. Think about two different kind of lands. One is a desert land, okay, which is not fertile, okay, in which nothing grows except cactus. And then the other one is a kind of land which is properly fertilized, and everything that has to be done to make the land fertile, it has been done for months and months and months. Okay, now if a seed is put in this dry desert land versus a seed is put in this other kind of land which is properly fertilized, which land is going to give you better results? Which land is going to give you a plant and a tree faster? Well, obviously this one, right? So that is exactly how your mind is. You have been training your mind over the past months for this particular exam. For the past few months, you have been practicing the art of focused study for so many hours every single day. Okay, so as of now, your mind has become like this fertile land. Okay, it is in its best possible condition compared to last 4 months, right? So at this point, whatever you put in your mind, it is going to grow. Okay, what do I mean? It means that if at this point I tell you that you are going to pass this examination, you will believe it, and that is going to grow. Okay, you will believe that fact more. Similarly, if someone tells you you're not good enough, or if someone gives you a bad news, okay, that maybe there's a riot over there, or there's a fight going on over there, or there's a doubt about the examination, whether they're going to happen or not, some sort of random news which is irrelevant also. Okay, that kind of news, that kind of small bit of negativity that you get from anybody around, that is also going to expand in your mind, because your mind is extremely fertile. Okay, when the mind is extremely fertile, whatever you put inside the mind, whether it is positive or whether it is negative, it is going to grow, it is going to impact the other parts of your life. Okay, so at this point, more than ever throughout your preparation, it is so very important to control the kind of information that goes in your mind. Okay, now whether you're watching something on Instagram, whether you're watching something on YouTube, whether you're watching the news, whether you're watching cricket, whether you're talking to your family, whether you're talking to your friends, whether you're listening to your teachers, okay, every piece of information that goes in your brain, please check whether it is positive or negative. At this point, it is so important to maintain your calm and balanced state of mind. You cannot expect anything negative to get inside your brain, because that negative small thing, that might trigger your insecurities, that might trigger things in the past that you still regret. Okay, we all have bad past, we all have something wrong that has happened in the past which we wish could have changed, but past cannot be changed. Okay, some of the insecurities that we have, it is better to accept them and to ignore them, okay, and move forward and increase our strengths. So if you really want to reduce the stress in your life, the anxiety from the examination, please make sure you only and only feed the correct kind of information, the positive motivational kind of information in your brain. Nothing negative should go inside your brain, at least for the next 1 month till your examination, right? That is really going to reduce your stress. Okay, which also includes that when you're going to go in the examination, you're not going to talk to any of your friends. Okay, even after the examination, you're not going to discuss the paper with anybody. You're not going to discuss the paper based on any YouTube video that is uploaded. You will simply jump onto the next paper, and you will believe that your best is enough. Okay, if you give your best in the examination, that is enough to pass the examination, right? And now on, you really monitor what kind of information is going in your brain. Any negative information can trigger stress, which we don't want, right? So therefore, only feed in positive information. Now, how are you going to do that? I'll tell you about me. Back in those days, there were no such YouTube channels which would help in motivation. So throughout the day, I used to listen to Bollywood motivational songs, you know, like the Milkha Singh kind of song, or the Mary Kom kind of songs. Same way, you also, if you have certain types of videos that you like, listen to them. Or if you can have a playlist of these motivational songs. Whenever you go to take a shower or whenever you're walking around, listen to those songs. They're going to pump you up. They're going to motivate you to give your best. Versus avoid any person, anybody who is not giving you that kind of motivation or who is giving you any sort of fear. Okay, I hope this video really helps you, and I'm gonna see you again in another video. Meanwhile, take very good care of yourself and your mind. Okay, so bye bye.